In the race toward digital transformation, manufacturers are being told a familiar story. Embrace AI, digitize, optimize, or fall behind. But the truth is, most companies aren't starting from the same line. They lack usable data. They operate on legacy systems. They don't trust what they don't understand. That's where the TAAIB vCPPS platform comes in. More than just a tool, it's a pathway to smart manufacturing. Purpose-built for companies at every stage of digital maturity. Let's face it, the manufacturing AI story has been upside down. Companies are told to leap into AI without first building a foundation. But here's what we see on the ground. No usable data, and where data does exist, it's buried in disconnected spreadsheets, historians, and tribal knowledge. Legacy systems everywhere, PLCs, SCADA, and ERP systems that were never built to communicate or integrate. AI feels like a black box, abstract, risky, and too far removed from ROI. Leadership hears AI, but what they really need are clarity, reliability, and measurable value. This gap between what's being promised and what's possible is the biggest barrier to transformation. The TAAIB-vCPPS platform closes that gap intelligently, incrementally, and securely. With our platform, companies can simulate their entire manufacturing environment virtually before touching any infrastructure. Using virtual cyber-physical production systems, we mirror your plant floor operations with digital replicas of sensors, actuators, PLCs, and logic flows. No need to expose real data, no integration needed, no IT involvement required to begin. This isn't vaporware, it's engineered reality, and it's built on familiar industry-standard protocols, MQTT, OPC UA, Modbus, Ethernet EP. This allows the platform to work seamlessly across modern and legacy equipment alike, with zero rip and replace. We believe transformation should never be an all-or-nothing proposition, so we built a tiered adoption model from Tier 0 to Tier 7 that matches your readiness and ambition. Tier 0 to 2 start with simulation, no-code logic, and virtual environments. Get value without changing anything in your physical setup. Tier 3 to 5. Begin integrating historical and real-time data from your actual sensors and PLCs, safely and securely. Tier 6 to 7. Leverage structured, validated datasets for AI and Gen AI. Drive predictive maintenance, optimization, and smart recommendations. It's a crawl, walk, run journey, built on real feedback from real manufacturers. Here's what makes companies say yes to TAAIB vCPPS. Platform. No risk to start. Tier 0 is completely free. No fear of data breaches. Simulate, don't expose, check, no integration blockers. Works even with your oldest machines. Check no confusion. You get value before AI even enters the picture. We focus on building trust, because digital transformation shouldn't feel like jumping off a cliff. It should feel like climbing a staircase. We've all heard the phrase, garbage in, garbage out. It's especially true for AI. Raw logs and unstructured data are not enough. That's why TAAIB-vCPPS platform emphasizes structured, labeled, contextualized data from day one. By the time you're ready for AI predictive maintenance or Gen AI co-pilots, you won't be scrambling for data. You'll already have the clean foundation to power meaningful results. We don't just make AI possible, we make it explainable, measurable, and trustworthy. So where do you begin? Start with Tier 0. Simulate your plant floor operations, build digital logic, and see your virtual factory come alive. When ready, connect real-world data and visualize operations in real time. Then scale into AI and Gen AI workflows with confidence. Because Gen AI is only useful if your systems are digitized, your data is structured, and your teams know what questions to ask. The TAAIB vCPPS platform isn't here to sell you the future. It's here to help you build it, one step at a time. Get started today and transform smart manufacturing into a reality that works for you. Now that you've seen the power of the TAAIB vCPPS platform, let's take a moment to show you just how easy it is to use. Whether you're a seasoned plant engineer or a transformation leader, this platform is built for intuitive control and rapid results. Start by defining your virtual environment. Using our no-code setup, you can dynamically establish digital twins of your real-world production ecosystem. That includes process areas, machines and workstations, sensors and actuators, and the logic-controlled PLCs that drive them. These digital replicas mirror the exact behavior of your production line, tailored to your unique SKUs, workflows, and process complexity. You're not just simulating random data. You're building a living, breathing virtual factory that behaves like the real thing, without touching a single cable. Once your assets are in place, it's time to define how they interact. Using our no-code PLC logic interface, you can easily orchestrate sensor readings, actuator responses, and machine operations. No programming required. Just drag, drop, and define logic blocks that reflect how your systems really behave, whether that's sequential manufacturing, parallel processing, or hybrid flows. With just a few clicks, you've replicated your entire operational logic virtually, and every interaction is time-stamped, contextualized, and stored, ready for analysis. From here, the platform becomes more than a simulation. It becomes a data engine for AI. Your virtual operations generate rich, structured datasets that power predictive maintenance, real-time optimization, intelligent forecasting, and continuous improvement through AI feedback loops. This isn't theory. It's a closed-loop digital thread, from simulation to logic to AI, and it's all driven by you, without needing an army of developers or expensive custom tools. Sign up today and receive an exclusive 50% discount on any annual subscription from Tier 1 to Tier 7. Whether you're starting small or scaling enterprise-wide, TAAIB vCPPS platform gives you the tools, the data, and the confidence to lead in the era of smart manufacturing. Now is the time to digitize, simulate, and optimize with TAAIB vCPPS platform.